It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, power convertible roof, twin-turbo V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.